Good day, everyone. Tiger Woods is back at #1. And Nike comes right out and says, winning takes care of everything. So let me ask you all question number one. Does that forgive Tiger Woods' infidelities? Let's go way back. Bill Clinton was our president. In the White House, he had some infidelity. But our country was in a great way under President Bill Clinton's leadership. And did our country forgive his infidelities because the country was in such a good way and because people liked President Bill Clinton so very much? That's another question. But going to Tiger Woods today, does America root for the underdog? Do the American people, when you get knocked down, root for a spectacular comeback like Tiger Woods? Why did some of his endorsements drop him? And why did some like Nike stay by his side and were loyal till the very restart of the great Tiger Woods comeback? Ladies and gentlemen, this is a comeback of the century. This is the new and improved Tiger Woods. You could feel his confidence growing. You could see him starting to relax again as he plays. But the question to each one of you is, did Nike go too far? And did Nike apply too much in their ad where they say winning takes care of everything? I believe that Nike waited for Tiger Woods for one reason and one reason only. They watched the trajectory of his sales of anything labeled Tiger Woods or the Tiger Woods collection. And when they realized his sales of his products were not falling down but still growing, they believed there was still equity in the brand of Tiger Woods. Any other reason would not make good business sense. So I would like to know, do you agree with my synopsis there? That this is all about big business and Tiger Woods is big business. We have to get back to our moral compass and we have to get back to doing what is right. It's my blog, but it's your voice and I want to hear from you. Do you all think that Nike went too far? Are you all rooting, or were you rooting for Tiger to make this spectacular comeback he just did? I'm waiting to hear from each and every one of you.